Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, student. I hope all of you are well. This is our third lab lecture, which is on study of operational amplifier as an amplifier. In this experiment, we are using amplifier circuit by developing a op amp. Basically, this is the circuit diagram of a op amp where the second terminal showing us the inverting input and third terminal showing us non-inverting input, which is the positive input, and inverting input means negative input. Also, number 7 pin indicates the positive threshold voltage, and fourth number pin show us the negative threshold voltage. At terminal 6, we get the output which we want to deserve. Okay, let's go to the experiment to develop an amplifier circuit. So this is our Proteus board, and we are selecting some component. The IC number of operational amplifier is 741, which we use to develop it. We also need sine voltage, V sine. Also, we need resistor. Okay, that's three component we need here to develop this experiment. Now we are connecting ground here, and after that we need a resistor, sorry, a operational amplifier, op amp, and now we are going to Y mirror this so that our experiment could be handled easily. Now we need some power input, which is connected at terminal 4 and terminal 7. We see that our terminal 7 is positive threshold voltage, and we set it for positive 10. And our terminal 4 is negative threshold voltage, and we select it minus 10. We need a resistor at terminal 2. Sorry, I will create this as the inverting amplifier. Also, we develop non-inverting amplifier also. See this. This is our feedback resistor, which is 10 kilo ohm, and this is our input resistance Ri, which is 5 kilo ohm. And we just connect it. And our terminal 3, we have to connect it through ground. Okay. Now we need a oscilloscope to see the actual output here. Our terminal A will be connected from input, and our terminal C will connect from output. We set our V sign. The limit is amplitude for 5 voltage, and our frequency set is for 1000 hertz. And now we run this. We see that our output shown in here, and if we close the channel B and channel D, and we set at least the limit here. Okay, what we can see here, that our positive input cycle shows in channel A when positive input cycle is at negative level. When the positive when the input is in negative level, our output found in positive level. This is called inverting output, and also this is an amplifier just because if we see at the peak voltage of input, which is approximately 5 volt, which is written as yellow color, but if we see at the same time our output voltage at terminal 6, this is 9 volt, which is some better than input voltage. Okay, this is non-invert, this is inverting amplifier. This circuit amplify our output, also create an inverting output. Now we are going to create a non-inverting amplifier. To create a non-inverting amplifier, we need to connect supply voltage through resistor in terminal 3. We set the limit approximately 5 kilo ohm, and we need a ground connection in terminal 1. So terminal 2. Now we see that what is going to found here. We see that our output shape is an square shape, and what we can found here, that when our input voltage is at positive level, our output voltage is also in positive level. Our input voltage is 5 volt and our output voltage is approximately 8 volt, 8.50 volt. So this is a non-inverting amplifier. That means positive amplifier. All of the tasks are being used here. There are two types of amplifier by using op-amp, which is inverting amplifier and non-inverting amplifier. Where actually this is the circuit diagram shown in here, and this is the circuit diagram for non-inverting amplifier. So this is the end of our class. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any problem, I will discuss it later. So thank you.